welcome my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally we can see some signs of correction on the chart of gold. So gold made a high of 2530 last time and market tried to break the level again. But market could make a high of around 2525, 2526 and from there market started going down again. Remember we discussed about the resistance 2525. Yes, that worked, and right now we can see signs of correction again. But the problem is that, okay, still we cannot consider this as a trend reversal yet. Because if we look at the overall trend of gold, the market is still bullish. So if you're having a buy on gold as a swing trader, as a position trader, you can continue with the buy position because there is still good chance, good hope that market will be going up again. Means sentiment wise, gold is still very much bullish. You can see gold trades at record high even as treasury yields edge higher. Gold traded at a record high mid-afternoon on Monday as treasury yields continued to weaken after Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on Friday said that the central bank is ready to start lowering interest rates to support a weakening labor market. So overall, the gold is bullish and gold is still not in a mood of going down. And if you look at the higher time frame also, for example, if you look at the weekly chart of gold, we can see that on the weekly chart last week gold has formed a doji kind of a pattern. Doji signifies indecision. Okay, so if gold forms a red candle also, we cannot consider that we are going to have a trend reversal for the next couple of weeks, because earlier also we have seen that after forming red candles gold has recovered again. So for a trend reversal, what do we want? We need a big, not a small, big fundamental reason. Again, I'm repeating, if you're having a buy on gold as a positional trader, swing trader, you can continue with a buy position. And if you're having a sell on gold, or if you're stuck on a sell position right now, because I receive emails, messages almost every day where people share their sell positions. So if you're stuck in a sell position right now, you can hold your sell position because there is a sign of retracement. I'm not talking about gold coming down to 2450, 2470. I don't know whether it will come or not, but yes, if we look at the present market condition, there is a hope that market will come to 2495, 2490 area. So if you have a sell, try to exit at retracement when gold will be coming down. And if you're a day trader, then obviously, okay, as a day trader you need to follow the current trend of the market right now, and we can see that current trend of the market is a little confusing here because this is up and right now this is a little bit down here. Okay, so things are a little scary, so we will try to stick to the levels. Means we will try to go with level to level trading for safety purpose. Okay, so let's try to understand the trading opportunities for the day. So as of now, okay, not as of now, okay, at this moment, okay, it seems that this is the range of the market right now. Big range. Okay, we have a big range. We have 2530 at the top and then we have 2470 at the bottom. Okay, this is the range of gold right now. So you can say that for the next few days, okay, market may remain in this range only. This is a range of almost 600 pips, so this may be the range of gold as of now. So if gold drops, if gold shows a heavy selling pressure, sudden selling pressure, 2470 will be the best support. Around 2470, 2472, we can expect the market to get support from the buyers and we can look for a buy position. But the problem is that 2470 is a reliable level but far away from the current market price. So we need to look at the immediate level. So we are again looking for help from the FIBO, and we can see right now that the gold is already trying to take support around FIBO 38.2% retracement level. We also have the 100 moving average. So if market drops from here, the next support on the chart of gold will be around 2499 to 2500. This is the next support on the chart of gold. Do not expect a complete trend reversal. As a day trader, you can expect the first bounce of 40 pips. Okay, if the bounce is good enough, then we can look for 60 to 80 pips. But initially, your TP1 should be 40 and your SL also should be 40. Okay. And we have the second support around 2492. Why 2492? Because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and along with that we can also see that market has taken support around this area earlier. So these are the two levels where we can look for support for the day. Okay, and as a day trader only, okay, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you need to look for buy at a better retracement price. For that, we can look for buy around 2480, 2470. Okay, but as a day trader, obviously our expectations are low. So here we can look for buy around these two areas of the market. Okay, and if market goes up from here, then as a day trader, okay, you can look for 25-30 pips sell opportunity around 5 to sorry 25 2522 2523, this one. Okay, and then you can also look for sell around 251819, this. Okay, these are the two levels where you can look for some selling opportunity as a day trader. Okay, already we can see market is trying to take support around this area, so if you have a buy, continue, no need to exit. Okay, but as a day trader, okay, we can look for trading opportunities for both the sides, because we are day traders. Okay, we need to go with the flow. Okay, and if you look at the economy calendar, we can see today we do not have any major event for the day, so we can expect that the present market sentiment will continue. Okay, but do one thing, guys. Okay, you can also keep your one eye on the chart of DXY as well. Okay, because DXY, okay, no doubt it is trying to recover, but things are not very positive. Okay, if DXY forms a big red candle here, then we will see immediate impact on the chart of gold. And stay in touch with the news. Okay, because geopolitically, okay, the current scenario is not very peaceful. Anything, okay, anything may happen, and any news or any escalation on Middle East will definitely impact the chart of gold. For example, okay, if any news comes out from Israel or Iran, okay, then obviously we will get to see a big green candle here. So stay in touch with the news if you love to trade gold. My dear friends, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है, my dear friends. It's a 7 days workshop with 1 month support. Okay, and the best thing about the workshop is that, okay, this workshop has been designed for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money. Okay, I have already shared the details earlier also in my videos. Okay, so the link is in the description, my dear friends. Okay, you will find all the details on the website. What are the topics that we will be discussing? What are the things you will be getting after a workshop? Topics of the weekly sessions. Okay, and if you're looking for personal sessions, because trading takes time, okay, then also you'll find all the information on the website. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.